The Blue Sharks pack. They've been left red-faced. The Blue Sharks have been left red-faced pack. A 5-star performance. I've got 5 on it in that. Bless up to everyone locked in. Slap the like button. How poetic. How poetic. The team with 115 charges got slapped 5 in 2025. And this channel hit 115,000 subscribers on that day, bruv. Hold that, you pussies. Hold that. Slap the likes up. Sub to Lee Reacts. We need to get that up to 115. Yeah, Pep's tears. Big Steve, where you at? Daps, where you at? Nobbins, where you at, bruv? Hugh, where you at? Hamza, where you at, bruv? Where they all at? They're all hiding, guys. LB, where you at? Where they all at? Mucho más boovy with a grand tetas, bruv. Where you at? Glorious scenes. After I've done thousands of pounds. Going to Wembley to see us get pammed in a cup final by them. See us get pammed again 4 days later. Cheers, Wenger. Cheers. Seeing Aguero score a hat-trick live and direct in row 1. Sane and all them, man. Sterling and that. Cheers, mate. I'm fully going to celebrate that victory tonight. And I've got 5 on it, guys. The Pep pack. The Pep pack. Bless up to everyone who watched the watch along as well. Nearly 65,000 people tuned into that live. But I have a message for everyone. Firstly, slap the like button up. Secondly, make sure you are subscribing. I am going live. Kenny's outside the ground. He's gassed. Jez, Matty. Matty was doing up WWE. He was doing everything, bruv. Yeah. And then I'm going live again. And transfer window shuts tomorrow. But they can all hold that tonight. The amount of times I've seen this club get spanked by that team, it's about time they were on the other end of it, isn't it? 5 on it. Can we play you every week? I got 5 on it. Pep's 45 in the week. I got 5 on it. Hold that, you pussies. Hold that, you pussies. Fucking hold that. Get out of here, bruv. Hold that, stay underlay and all that. The Sharks left red-faced. The Blue Sharks left red-faced, bruv. They turned into sticklebacks. Yeah. And I swear, bless up David Raya. Let's start with David Raya. Yeah, some of the saves that guy made today. Oh, my days. The save from Savio. Boy. Deflected, I think it was off Saliba. Yeah, and another day that goes in. What a save. The one from Vardial where he crossed it first time. If he don't get a touch on that, Bernardo's got a tap in. He's got a tap in because he'd done Lewis Skelly. Yeah, he had a tap in. What a save. The one where he point blank save, touched it onto the bar. What a save. What a save. Let's go to Timber. Timber! Shiver me timbers. Big up to you, mate. You got a yellow card. What a performance. Because that Savio is a tricky little fucker. And we see that when he set up the goal. However, I thought he was poor today. But that's because you locked him up. When you get home tonight, you're going to take your car keys out your pocket. You're going to take your wallet out your pocket. And you're going to take Savio out your pocket, bruv. Yeah, I don't quite know what Thomas Partey was doing to let him run past him for their goal. That's obviously Vieira. He could never. However, Thomas Partey responded real quick. We'll get to that in a second. Let's go to the other side. Lewis Skelly. Mocking it, bruv. Dashed Haaland on the floor. Hold that. Hold that, you Viking. Hold that. Yeah, and then scored a great goal. What a goal. Yeah, this guy, boy. This guy, what a finish. Yeah, what a shithouse. Rattled Spurs fans, rattled City fans. We're here for it, bruv. We're here for it. Gabriel Magalhaes. This guy should be our captain. But we'll get to our captain in a minute because, yeah, we'll get there in a sec. Pause. Bosh. But anyway, Gabriel Magalhaes. Bro, I swear down, I said this here. He's going to be riled up for this game, but so is Haaland. Yeah, Haaland looked like a rabbit in the headlights. However, he did score. But he weren't really on it, was he? Yeah, and we know that he ain't got any real skill or tech or anything like that. He just scores, and he did today. But again, Gabriel Magalhaes, love the shit out of at times, man. Love it. Love it. And what a performance from him. Saliba, the only downside to him today was the fact they scored and it was on his side. He tried to push him off balance, but he still buried it. Keep couldn't do nothing with it. Listen, didn't really matter in the end, did it? So who gives a shit? But Saliba was cold today. Gabriel was lit. Yeah, that back line, proper. Yeah, proper today. Midfield, Thomas Partey. Big unks in midfield and that. Man's 54 years old and he's still dictating play. Yo. Oh. There's a case to say he was man of the match. And I actually don't know who got man of the match. Maybe it was him. Yeah, he did let Savio run off of him. Yeah, mad first touch, cross, boom, goal. Just like that. Yeah, but at the same time, yeah, he was like, nah. But he said, nah, we ain't playing today, bruv. What a response. What a response. Yeah, and I know it deflected off of Johnny Stones and all of that crap. Yeah, who cares? It went in the back of the net, mate. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, what a response. A few minutes later, bang. And it's one of the very few times that I've sat on a watch along with Matty and Ola. Yeah, and we've all sat there and gone, shoot. Because normally when he shoots, it goes out the stadium. It's like he's playing at Twickenham instead of the Emirates. Yeah, that one landed in the back of the net. Yeah, and I've seen this fella and these fellas when we played Liverpool, when we were losing, yeah, say, nah, we ain't losing today, mate. Yeah, we are not losing this today. Yeah, we're winning this today in the Invincible season. Then Henri bagged the hattie and all that. Yeah, picked up the ball in the centre circle and ran around everyone. Yeah, that soon as we conceded that goal, yeah, that's what that was. It was the same mentality. Nah, we ain't fucking forget what the manager says. We're not losing. We're not drawing. We're winning this. Yeah, and at that time, their goal probably was coming. Yeah, I know we missed a couple of sitters. We'll get to that in a second. Yeah, and the first half, wasn't really end to end, but it weren't really great either. Yeah, it was good for a spectacle for the neutral, but we should have put that game to bed inside 5-10 minutes. But anyway, we'll get to that in a sec. Thomas Partey, and that is why you play that guy in midfield. I don't want to see that guy at right back. 20% win record at right back. Get out of here, bruv. Yeah, Declan Rice. 3 games on the spin. You have been outstanding as well, mate. Yeah, you're not my man of the match today, by the way. David Raya is. Although there is a shout for you to be man of the match. But you're going to have to hold that today, Declan. Pause. Yeah, what a performance. Yeah, the way he nicked the ball, they were rattled defensively. The way he nicked the ball back and it bounced to 29, he's got to bury that. We'll get to that in a minute. But he was quality. The energy in that midfield today was sick. Yeah, that was our best performance of the season, by the way. Forget the 5 goals for a second. Work rate to a man, working for each other, having each other's backs, not really getting bullied or anything like that, which we've seen before. Going 1-1, all of a sudden, sometimes we fold. Quite a lot we fold. Today, less of that, bruv. Less of that. We are not having that. Declan Rice, Thomas Partey, fair play. Our captain, hair flick and that. Yeah, hair flick. Bro, that was your best performance of the season. That is a captain's performance today. Captain performance today. From the get-go. And forget his goal for 1 second, yeah? Right? His whole performance was quality today. That's the best performance he's had all season. Where's that been all season, bro? Where was that against Girona the other day when you were getting bodied by a Girona B team? What, does it have to be a big game for you to get up for it? But listen, you got up for it. Pause again, hard, but hey, yo. But real talk, yeah, what a performance from him today. And that midfield just bullied them, outrun them, outmuscled them, yeah, outplayed them. Yeah, well done to them today. Martinelli, I don't think he was outstanding today, but work rate, you know what you're getting with Martinelli, whether it's on the left or the right. Yeah, and blocking off Savio along with Timber down that side. Yeah, I thought they worked really well today. Going forward, I don't think he was great. Yeah, he went bad though. Went bad. Yeah, same with Trossard. I don't think he was great. Too many touches in the first half at times. Yeah, absolutely cooked Nunes. Should have crossed it about 3 times and then passed it backwards. But other than that, I'm nitpicking. He was actually good today. Martinelli was good. But the elephant in the room, guys, and I know he scored today. Yeah, and this is the only downside for me, really. I know he scored. I know he got an assist. All you GA merchants out there. If he scores that chance, Declan 1 back. Yeah, I'm sorry, mate. The game's done inside 10 minutes. Yeah, and the fact it was still a spectacle and they got back in it is because he couldn't finish. Yeah, I know he got a goal and it was a great goal, great finish. Yeah, well done to him. Yeah, but at the same time, come on, man, we need a striker. And Thierry Henry, the G, the king. Yeah, El Rey. Yeah, the king. Yeah, said it on Sky Sports after the game. He said, "Don't let the scoreline change the fact that we need a striker, mate." Yeah, and we do. Yeah, and he's the greatest striker in our history. So listen to the king, innit? Substitutes, Ethan. Saka might not get back in the team, you know. And if he does, he might have to go out and hold left side. Yeah, Ethan on the right. This guy has locked off that little cut inside a whip shot. In fact, I'll actually go as far to say, yeah, in the short space of time that we've seen this guy play and the amount of times he's done it, he's perfected it better than Saka already. Now, that's not a diss at Saka, by the way, because Saka's got that pretty good as well. You know, Saka's had a longer sample size. Obviously, we're only seeing a short sample size. Yeah, but this guy, and they're tapped out by that point. But listen, that's taking nothing away from Ethan, yeah? What a goal. What a player. Tech level 100, confident left foot, right foot, gets his head up straight away, boom, nice cross into the box and stuff like that. Bro, this guy's cold. Fair play to him. Yeah, fair play. Him and Skelly are taking their chances real quickly, man. And they're saying, yo, you can't kick us out of the team. I was a bit disappointed Ethan didn't start. But at the end of the day, who cares? We won 5-1. The rest of the subs, nothing amazing, but the game was done by then. But as for the manager today, well done to you, mate. Well done to you. Honestly, real talk, that's what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see. That went back to a throwback from before the Qatar World Cup. That's how we've let the shackles off. And do you know what? I don't know whether that was him that let him do that after the 1-1. Me personally, I think the players just said, fuck what he says. I'd like to think that anyway. But who knows? Who cares? Yeah. Now we move on to Newcastle when we're all a little bit doom and gloom. Even the toppest of tippity top gooners were doom and gloom. Now we're going up to Newcastle off the back of them losing 2 home games in a row in the league. Yeah, and us pamming City 5-1. All of a sudden, get an early goal. Who knows? We could be in a final, guys. But listen, slap the likes up. Kenny's going to be gassed. He's outside the stadium. Then Jez, then Matty. Then I'm going live. I'm going to get a couple of guests on that as well. And I'll see if I can get a gal on. See if I can get a few others on as well. But yeah, we will be there, guys. 50 minutes from now. Bosh, we're out. Hold that. I got 5 on it. Can we play you every week? Hold that, bruv. The blue sharks left red face. Hold that.